Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
The ingredients include 2 sticks of melted butter, 4 large eggs, a box of cake mix. This time I am using Duncan Hines carrot cake. You can use any type of cake mix that you prefer. And then you'll also need 1 1/4 cups of whole milk. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're just going to mix all of our ingredients into one bowl. Next, we're just going to go ahead and mix all of our ingredients together. You do want to mix it until your batter is smooth. If you're using carrot cake like I am, if it has the raisins and the carrots already in it, it will be just a little lumpy. I'm using my spatula just to make sure there's no more dry ingredients at the bottom of the bowl. To grease my cupcake pan, I am using shortening. This day I did decide to make cupcakes, but you can use whatever type of cake pan that you prefer. I used the baking instructions on the back of the box, but I did add about an extra 5 to 7 minutes since I added more wet ingredients. I'm using an ice cream scoop to fill up the cupcake pan. I do overfill some, but it was okay because my family still ate all of the cupcakes. Now to make the icing, you're going to need 1 to 2 blocks of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, and a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and soften up the cream cheese, and then I'll add the rest of the ingredients one by one. Let that mix for a little while, then stop the mixer and go ahead and scrape down the side of your bowl. I am adding just a little bit more of the heavy whipping cream because I didn't like the consistency of it. Use your own judgment when you make your icing. If you don't like it, just add little by little. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add all of my icing into my piping bag. I do have my piping bag sitting inside of a glass cup. Now to put the icing on top of the cupcakes. I am horrible when it comes to piping icing on cupcakes. Just look at that, you guys. It is okay though because they were still edible. Now to top the cupcakes with these cute candy carrots. And here are the end results. I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.